2004 Chevy Silverado 4.8 liter. Still got the stock outlet converters. Then it's ran into a Y pipe, straight pipe, 2 1/4 tailpipes, into 3.5 inch roll tips. Hope you guys like it. There she is. Again, this is the 4.8 liter, so it should sound a little bit different than the 5.3s. There it is. Much better. Give a guess. He's happy. I should have recorded you jumping up and down. Again. Sounds really good. This is what it sounds like idling.
This episode is brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, GenoPure.com. Optimizing health and vitality, one gene at a time.